Hello friend, welcome to my another video. My friend, if you are facing this problem that whenever you go for talking with someone and that time you get stuck, what you should talk about, what you should do discussion, how you should make your conversation, how you should do speaking practice, then my friend, this video is for you. In this video, I will talk about how you can solve this issue and make conversation with anybody easily. Do speaking practice. I know this is the problem of beginners. Mainly they face this problem. So in this video my friend I have come up with 5 familiar topic about those topics anyone can easily make conversation and do discussion. I will share these 5 topics to you and you can put these topics to anybody. Okay, when you are going to talk, when you are going to making conversation with anybody, that time you can put and easily do discussion, make conversation with them. So how you can do, let's talk about that. So my friend, first familiar topic is education. Yes, you hear me right, education. See, education topic is familiar topic. Everybody has knowledge about it. Everybody can talk about it. So if you are beginner and you have this issue whenever you go for talking with anybody, that time you get stuck, your mind goes blank what you should talk, then you can put this topic, education topic, and make conversation with anybody. And also you will be able to talk about this topic. Why? Because you have heard so many things about education, importance of education. So you can say education is very important for we human being. If we are educated, then we can take the right decision. Yeah, I am educated, and because of my education I'm capable to read, write, take the decision. So many things you can do, discussion and tell whatever you have point in your mind related to this topic. You can put, you can do discussion. Don't think about perfectness, that you have to tell perfect line, perfect point. No, you are neither going to write essay nor going to give a speech. So you don't need to be perfect. You are going to speak, you are going to do speaking practice, you are trying to take a step, do speaking, so that you can speak English. जब आप बोलना शुरू करेंगे तभी आप इंग्लिश बोलना सीख पाएंगे. So you are trying to speak, and for speaking you need something about which you can do discussion, and that's how you can do your conversation, you can make conversation. So that is why you don't need to worry about perfectness. You just, you have to go put this topic and do speaking about this topic. Whatever point you have, just tell. Don't do preparation about this, and don't try to show yourself perfect, that you have knowledge, perfect knowledge. No. And I know you have knowledge, you have point. So जो आप जानते हो, जो आपको पता है, वही पुट करिए, वही डिस्कशन करिए, उसी के बारे में बताइए और आराम से कन्वर्सेशन करिए विथ फ्री माइंड. वाई? बिकॉज यू आर अ बिगिनर. ओके, you don't need to pressurize yourself for showing perfectness, for becoming perfect, not to make mistake. No, you can make mistake. You are the beginning stage, and here you can make mistake, and you are allowed to make mistake. Your mistake are acceptable. So you can put this topic. Second familiar topic, my friend, health. Yes, health. Everybody knows importance of health. So anybody can talk about this topic. When you will put, you will be also able to talk, and other people will be also able to talk about this topic and put their opinion. So that's how, my friend, you can make conversation. If you don't have anything to speak and tell and do speaking, make conversation. Third familiar topic, money. Yeah, money. About this topic, anybody can talk because everybody has the knowledge about money. They know importance of money. So any people can talk about this topic easily. Fourth familiar topic, my friend, you can talk about time. And everybody knows importance of time, how it is important, and once it goes it never returns. Everybody knows importance of time. So you can put this topic when you don't have anything else to speak and do and make conversation. You can put, so anybody will ready to make conversation with you. You will, and other as well, easily. And fifth familiar topic, my friend, goal, dream, social media, because everybody know have knowledge, they know about something about this topic, so they can speak, they can do discussion about these topics. So my friend, if you have this issue, when you go for talking with someone and you get stuck, you feel what you should talk, then my friend, you can put any topic of in these topics and make conversation easily. And if you do conversation in this way by putting these topics, my friend, you will able to make conversation, speak and do speaking practice. More than this, you will learn so many things. Why? Because when you will go for discussion about these topics, you will share some point, your partner will share some other point. Why? Because everybody has the other perspective to see the same thing in different angle. तो आप कुछ और पॉइंट शेयर करेंगे और आपके पार्टनर कुछ और पॉइंट शेयर करेंगे, और इस तरह से जो है आपको धीरे धीरे नया नया पॉइंट देखने को मिलेगा। क्योंकि हर लोगों का देखने का तरीका अलग अलग होता है, सोचने का तरीका अलग अलग होता है। जो चीज़ें आप देख पा रहे हैं वो नहीं देख पा रहे हैं, वो देख पा रहे हैं आप नहीं देख पा रहे हैं। सो इन दिस वे यू विल लर्न मोर about these topics, and you will also have some content about which you can able to practice, about which you can do discussion, and that's how you can make conversation, you can speak English, you can you know utter English. And that's how, my friend, it will help you to speak English, and you will not have to be worried that what you should you know talk about which you should do discussion. You can solve this issue. और जो टॉपिक मैंने दिया है, आपको बताया है, इसके बारे में सबको नॉलेज है, तो इजीली वो थोड़ा बहुत ज़्यादा ना सही लेकिन थोड़ा बहुत तो हर कोई बात कर लेगा। बिकॉज दीज आर फेमिलियर टॉपिक, वी हैव नॉलेज, वी नो समथिंग अबाउट दिस टॉपिक, so that is why I'm telling you. Okay, and don't pressurize yourself, don't prepare these topics, don't try to show yourself that you know very well about these topics. No, go with free mind and put do discussion. When you will preparation of these topics and so many things, you will like go out of track and go in some other track. Here you have to speak, you have to prepare yourself how you can speak, how you can make conversation in English, and that's why you need something to speak. So you are using for speaking. Okay, here you are not going for a speech and not for writing essay that you need perfectness and perfect line. No. So give yourself freedom, space, and go and make conversation, do discussion, whatever you know, whatever you have knowledge about these topics, and speak English. Try to speak more and more. Okay, and that's how, my friend, you can solve this issue. You will be able to make conversation, speak English, and that's how you will learn how to speak English, how to become confident, as well as you will learn so many knowledge about these topics. So how did you like? I hope you like this video. If you, then please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye, we will meet in next video.